You don't want to come on camera?
We're seeing Kutta Billies and buffalo and cow. We see it every day in Pune.
So we are at the farm. This property is there in Chennai on the outskirts. It's a self-sufficient establishment, and whatever it does, it's doing it amazingly with a responsible attitude towards environment. We are right now heading towards the restaurant, indoor restaurant, which is located in the middle of the farm, and it is built in an existing coconut grove, which is again using the materials found on the property. The tables and the chairs are also built with the wood found on the property. We follow a farm to table concept, which is so amazing and healthy. Whatever is grown on their farm, most of the ingredients that go in the menu and most of the things that are on the menu are fresh from their farm. So that lends to an amazing taste to the food and the quality. So right now this is the area or restaurant which is outdoors, which is just a few couple of tables laid below beneath the shady bamboo trees, and it's so pretty and so quaint. There are a couple of wells nearby surrounding in this area, and lot of trees, lot of greenery. It's like an oasis in itself, and it's beautiful. It's really beautiful. Have a look.
City. You like this place? Why do you keep doing like this? What is it? Again, what is it? What is that?
Cigarette.
Pretty place. The farm. I love it. I love the sunlight on my face right now.
उड़े जब जब जुल्फे तेरी कदारियों का दिल मचले. Oops, I think it's for a guy. I'll stop here.
Fantastic.
What is it that you're having?
Pig and pineapple.
Show me. God, look at this. Bon appetit.
Guys, the drinks are amazing. Be it the green lemon mint soda, the fresh mango granita, or the pomegranate juice, or the hibiscus rose tea. No wonder I'm sipping and enjoying so much till the time the next course comes. And between some organic drinks, romance तो बनता है. आँखों ही आँखों में इशारा हो गया. ला 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 ला.
Gas. What is this? Chicken tikka, right? Sesame tikka.
Something like that.
They have kept their food chemical free by sourcing only from the nearby farmers. They grow most of the stuff that they serve, and so everything is fresh, seasonal, and really healthy. So after that heavy meal, all we could do is just go next door, which was a farm shop. I mostly shop from here whenever I come. The products are really good. They sell their own produce, being the fresh vegetables, fruits, essences, dairy products, then other wellness products, cheese, bakery goodies. They also have some local publishers. They have some stuff from the NGOs, and they have jams, marmalades, a lot of other things. So wellness products. Also source things from the nearby estates, the tea, coffee, organic chocolate, which is really, really, really good, and a lot of other things.
Let's take this one. No, this is paneer, sorry. Yeah, so let's take mozzarella. I think we make buffalo mozzarella. I don't know how they like smoked. This is also very nice, huh? Lebanese.
Other wellness products like the beeswax, organic products, soaps, cold pressed oils, essential oils, amazing stuff.
Yeah, that one.
चलो फिर हम निकल पड़े हैं हमारा खाना हजम करने को। जी हाँ, वी आर गोइंग फॉर अ फार्म वॉक। ये फार्म वॉक्स होते रहते हैं। यू हैव टू राइट योर नेम एट द रिसेप्शन। दीज आर गाइडेड टूर्स। ये लोग हमें लेके जाते हैं टू सी इनके प्रॉपर्टी पे क्या क्या एक्टिविटीज हो रही है, हाउ दे प्रोड्यूस ऑल द फ्रेश थिंग्स एंड हाउ दे मैनेज द फार्म। सो यहाँ पे जो है सब एनिमल्स फ्री रेंज एनिमल्स है जो बांधे नहीं जाते हैं। दे आर फ्री टू रोम इन द स्पेसिफाइड एरियाज एंड इट्स रियली गुड। मुझे बहुत मज़ा आता है टू बी इन नेचर, अमिट्स नेचर। मुझे बहुत खुशी होती है एंड इट्स सो काम, पीसफुल एंड बहुत अच्छा लगता है। सो लेट्स गो।
कुछ बोल रहे थे? What is this? Is it like this?
I forgot to mention ये फार्म वॉक फ्री है। These activities are free.
We are walking, digesting our food, seeing the farm, and Zah's getting really bored
We are
because
seeing Kutta Billies and buffalo and cow. We see it every day in Pune.
what? Pune is not filled with Kutta, Billy, buffaloes, and cows.
We are from the land of farmers and we've seen all this in our farms. We've done all this, but still she wants to do it. So yes.
Because it's beautiful. To
Mostly
the
boarded by
stable.
So guys, they're doing something really nice over here. This is like a horse retirement home.
Hi, baby. Hello. How are you? Hi. Okay. You don't want to come on camera? Oh, boomerang it seems.
So these horses are got over here from places like races and other places where they're of no more any use, and they're really well cared for here. It's a really lovely place for the kids to come.
See others.
Brinjal दिख रहा है मेरे को।
Bindi hai.
Reddish finger. Brinjal.
Where? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You know.
Farmer का हूँ महाराष्ट्र से।
कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना आप लोगों को ये जगह कैसी लगी. I love this place. Everything is so natural, chemical free food. Everything is closest to the nature and earth. सबके लिए कुछ ना कुछ है. एक्सपेंसिव जगह है but you're paying for the entire experience.
So we are done with our experience at the farm, and let me tell you, it was an amazing one. The place is really beautiful, rustic, serves amazing, delicious food, and it has something for everybody. It's a really nice, laid back, like off the beaten track place, and we had fun. I really suggest, if you are in Chennai, you should take out time and go to the farm. It's a beautiful place to be. Like the video, so do give it a like, share it, subscribe, and stay tuned to Bhakti Diaries. I love you all.
और एक नेचर वाली जगह देखनी है तो ऊपर राइट हैंड साइड पे लिंक दिया हुआ है, प्लीज गो वॉच इट. एंड गाइस, सपोर्ट सस्टेनेबल रिस्पॉन्सिबल चॉइसेस, ट्रैवल, लाइफस्टाइल एंड एवरीथिंग. So do that. And one more thing, please press that notification bell so that जब भी नया वीडियो आए आपको पता चल जाए, और लाइक करो. It really helps guys. Bye.